Friends, so today's topic is case in point doing good as a core business strategy. Goodwill Industry International, a non-profit organization, has been an advocate of diversity for over 100 years. In 1902, Boston, Massachusetts, a young missionary set up a small operation enlisting struggling immigrants in his parish to clean and repair clothing and goods to later sell. This provided workers with the opportunity for basic education and language training. His philosophy was to provide a hand up, not a handout. Although today you can find retail stores in over 2300 locations worldwide, and in 2009 more than 64 million people in the United States and Canada donated to Goodwill. The organization has maintained its core mission to respect the dignity of individuals by eliminating barriers to opportunity through the power of work. Goodwill accomplishes this goal in part by putting 84% of its revenue back into programs to provide employment, which in 2008 amounted to $3.23 billion. As a result of these programs, every 42 seconds of every business day, someone gets a job and is one step closer to achieving economic stability. Goodwill is a pioneer of social enterprise and has managed to build a culture of respect through its diversity program. If you walk into a local Goodwill retail store, you are likely to see employees from all walks of life, including differences in gender and race, physically ability, physical ability, sexual orientation, and age. Goodwill provides employment opportunity for individuals with or lack of job experience. The company has created programs for individuals with criminal backgrounds who might otherwise be unable to find employment, including basic work skill development, job placement assistant, and life skills. In 2008, more than 172,000 people obtained employment, earning $2.3 billion in wages and gaining tools to be productive members of their community. Goodwill has established diversity as an organization norm, and as a result, employees are comfortable addressing issue of stereotyping and discrimination of individuals with such varying backgrounds. It is not surprising that there are a wide range of values and beliefs. Management and operations are decentralized with the organization with 166 independent community based Goodwill stores. These regional businesses are independent, not for profit human services organization. Despite its decentralization, the company has managed to maintain its core values. Seattle's Goodwill is focused on helping the city's large immigrant population and those individuals without basic education and English language skill. And at Goodwill Industries of Kentucky, the organization recently invested in custom software balance daily sales at stores to streamline operations and spend less time on paperwork and more time managing employees. Part of Goodwill's success over the years can be attributed to its ability to innovate as technology evolves and such skill